I'm Rocky.
I'm April. We live in a van, and this is our van vlog. In this episode, see Charlie's first bath.
And me just like doing little knick-knack stuff while April's gone.
So if you like the video, go ahead, subscribe. We put out new videos every Tuesday.
Tina Tuesday.
Tina Tuesday. And we hope you enjoy.
You a dirty dog. Are you a dirty dog? Charlie. Charlie. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hi. Ready to wash our dirty dog?
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
As you can see, I've made the house a mess again. I'm pretty good at that. I'm a messy person, but I'm trying to learn to not be messy. This is Charles, who is napping, and then I came up here and he got. Well, I'm getting closer to what I want the van to look like. Things are getting more organized. It's a little more clean. Still got some way to go. This is pretty much all trash, except for that bottle. That bottle's delicious. And I gotta sweep and clean, but I think it's time to take a break and take this baby boy outside. Came to Charles' favorite park. I don't know if it's his favorite, but it's pretty. I took this drawer out, which held these doggy bowls. I took it out. The floor down here seems pretty good, but I guess like this water's been spilling, or like when Charlie drinks out of it, or when we drive, because I thought we could leave the water in there. Yeah, it just molded through the whole thing. So I'm gonna toss this, and we're thinking about just getting mats, like a rubber mat, to put them on and slide them in when we're driving. You guys remember it from earlier, yesterday? We're getting closer. Day 2 of April being gone, and I am getting closer and closer to being finished cleaning. Hey, Bella. I had it on backwards, guys. This is the part we want, huh? Just get all the hairiness. Try to comb you out, huh? What's your bunny? Oh, you're a good booby. Just watering my plants. This is Lucky, and this is John Wayne. And we are just giving them a little bit of love. This is a miracle. Remember those scratches I showed you on the floor? Like it went through all, like we have wood floors because that was like leftover of my parents' like kitchen floors. So they were free. And like that door kept scraping, and it like roughed it all up and everything, and like it chipped off the first like layer, and like it was all white, and I tried like wiping it off, but it was like definitely not wipeable. And like some of the wood underneath was showing. I got myself one of these wood finish stain markers. Guys, look at this. Can't even tell. I mean, it's not perfect, like brand new, but it definitely doesn't look like it did before. Like this drawer I used to have here, that was pulling out for Charlie's dog bowl, but it's not a drawer anymore. It's just a cupboard. It was scraping the floor because this countertop's at an angle, and I didn't fix that, so it made the drawer just like dig into the floor. And then I just dropped a screwdriver while driving. Where is it? Right here. And it indented it, so I'm gonna use that pen. You could tell, but now like from far away, you can't even tell. Unless you're like nose into the floor. Get the squirrel, Charlie? Do you see it? Where's it going? He really likes playing with other animals. But he accidentally kills them each time, and then he gets sad and like tosses them around like they are still alive. He's killed like a field mice one time at a campground. And like April's mom's backyard, he killed like a bird or a mouse or something. I was just like tossing, playing with it, rolling all around it. He just wants someone to play with, but like he's too aggressive. Look, Charles. Do you see that? His head back there. That's so cool. How do you get to it? That's so sick.
Thanks for watching.
See you next Tuesday.